blasted in the wind when you're at the door. And I can't let you go. Oh, memories so sweet. Let's just find a place under the stars.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here today. Wait a minute. God, I'm not Chris Fix. That was too cringy, wasn't it? But whatever. I'm gonna keep that in. So today we have yet again another little modification with Phantom. So today LASFIT sent, well not today, but LASFIT sent me these LED turn signals for the truck. And you know, for the front obviously. Well, that's why I'm at the front. But that'll pretty much complete the whole exterior as for LEDs. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I actually do like LASFIT's products. I use most of their products inside and outside just because their bulbs are really bright. The only bulbs that I don't have that are LASFIT's, on this one at least, are the headlights, the corner lights, the reverse lights, and that's it. But the interior lights and the license plate lights are all LED. But let's get started. So as usual with LASFIT products, they come in this bag, and well, the bulbs come in the bag, and you just tear it on open. And for the front turn signals for this truck, the front turn signals for this one, they're really easy. So I mean, I'll show you guys how to do it. But these are the bulbs. They're pretty big, but they are amber LED. I was thinking about doing a switchback setup for the front turn signals, but I didn't really think that would be necessary, just because I think it would be a little bit too much, well, too busy. So theoretically, you should be going from these, you know, regular incandescent bulbs to this, you know, the really pretty sharp flickering, well, not flickering, flashing turn signals. So enough of my rambling, let's just get to it. So that sounds like some YouTuber. Sure. Whatever, but all you're gonna need is literally just a Phillips screwdriver or drill. I'm gonna probably use a screwdriver just because I'm too lazy to find where my drill is. So all you have to do is just undo these two Phillips screws on each side. So my turn signals aren't stock. These are the clear ones that I got off of eBay. I just think they look a lot better than the regular yellow or orange ones. But this is literally all you do. You get these two out, and then you just pull out the plastic cover, and then the bulb is right there. So you just twist it left and then pull it out. So these are new bulbs because these turn signals actually came with bulbs themselves. So as a backup, I'm just going to put them in my pocket. Now, ideally, you would want to use gloves if you do plan on using these bulbs again, but I don't really care because I'm not going to go back to halogen. So this is the new bulb. So it has a little LASFIT label on the top there, but all you have to do is just twist it in and you're good. So without further ado, you just put it in. We'll line it up and twist it. Now let's see if it works. Yay! I don't know if you saw that, but it works. Now all you have to do is pretty much just do the reverse of taking it apart. So you put this back here. Wow, I'm stupid. Put this like this. Then you get, oh, I'm an old man. You line up the screw holes. Let's see here. Find your screwdriver. I probably look quite large right now. That's probably an unappealing camera angle. But you do this one. Make sure that it's pretty tight, but don't strip it, obviously. But you just want to make sure it's tight so water doesn't get in when it's raining or whatever. But let's see how they look. I'm just gonna, well, we're gonna compare. I don't know if you can see me, but we're gonna compare the stock one to the LED. Yeah. Oh! So let's go see how they look. Wow, okay. Okay, I can see how bright it is in the camera, the reflection. Jesus. I don't know if you can see that, but that's really bright. Oh my god. So ideally, it's just rinse and repeat for the next one. Rinse and repeat. You just, repeat the same one for the whichever side that you started with, but it's literally just 2 screws and then twisting a bulb and you're done. So I think that this was well worth it. I mean, I didn't pay any money for it, but definitely check out LASFIT if you're looking for LED bulbs for your car, because I have them all over Betty and I've loved them. And let me show you the interior light. I probably have already, but consider this a little taco update. So this is just that one, and I don't know if you could see how bright it is, but at night it's definitely a big difference from a halogen light. And then also that gauge cluster, that's also white LEDs from LASFIT. So definitely check them out. The lighting is probably bad, but definitely check out LASFIT, and you're gonna see a lot more videos of Phantom, the Tacoma, and he's running and tags and everything, and it's a brand new truck. Put a lot of money into it, so let's hope that YouTube ad revenue comes in. So I'll see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be soon, because I'm out of school finally until college in the fall. Wow, I'm talking a lot. Okay, bye.